Let's practice. By doing this, you will be able to learn how to put your knowledge together to solve a business problem. In these practice cases, I am going to talk about some industrial situation based challenges, and you need to know how to solve these. By doing this, you will also be able to test your application skills, that how do you apply your knowledge of sorting, taking subset, creating derived variable, all those things to solve these situations. During this process, you learn new syntax. Whatever has been covered in earlier videos, these cases might require some additional part. So by doing this, you'll also learn some new syntax as well as the use cases for those syntax. I will recommend that you can try on your own before looking at the answer, and for trying on your own, you might need to search some part through internet. That way, you will be able to concretize your learning. What you need to understand, in any programming case, you have more than one way of solving. So you don't necessarily need to get the solution that I am getting. Till the time you are getting any solution, that is fine. You can check the solution that I am providing as well. The reason is that it will help you to learn new things. Even if you have solved it, probably you can still take a look at the solution that I am providing, because that way you will learn probably a new thing or probably a new way of doing things. So go ahead, try solving these cases one by one.